Thanks for tuning in. If today is your first time of stopping by my video, you're especially welcome. This is Mother T Kitchen. To my returning viewers, thanks for your continuous support. In today's video, make egg sauce with me. Egg sauce is another version of scrambled egg with vegetables. To make the egg sauce, I use half medium yellow bell pepper, half medium green bell pepper, half medium carrots, 1 seed of fresh tomatoes, half medium onion. I use scotch bonnet pepper and of course the egg itself. There are other ingredients. Watch to see them. One beautiful thing about egg sauce is it doesn't consume time. You can prepare it in a very short time. This recipe is so easy to make and budget friendly. Eggs are widely considered to be a valuable source of quality protein, which are the building blocks of life. Egg yolks naturally contain vitamin D. Eggs can help in weight management as it is filling. Eggs improve levels of good cholesterol. Because the recipe is a quick one, I cut all my vegetables down before cracking my eggs. You can add more vegetables if you wish. Now go ahead and crack your eggs. Add any spices you wish to. I use only salt in my egg. Whisk very well after cracking. In a clean pan, heat up vegetable oil and fry your onion. This is the vegetables we cut earlier. Seasoning cube. I shallow fried my vegetables, then went in with my whisked egg. Gently give it a turn until the egg is completely formed. You can pair this recipe with yam, rice, plantain, bread, etc. Egg sauce can be eaten as a meal on its own. This is boiled peas. Combine very well and your egg sauce is ready. You can add water if you wish to. This depends on what you want to pair your egg sauce with. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.